let's talk about the Reebok ES22. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Let's go. Man, what it do, what it do, what it do. Let's talk about the Reebok ES22. All right, now your boy made a previous video on these shoes, size 12, and I went half size up because they some old shoes, and a lot of the old shoes back in the days, man, the toe box small, but those shoes, man, they big and bulky, and my foot just sliding all the way, moving all the way around in that shoe. So I messed up. I took the shoes back, and they sent the correct size. And when I try them on, hopefully they're the right size. And if they're not, I'm gonna send them back again, and I might just get my money back, because at this point I'm just done. And I can't believe they ain't sell out still. Like, sizes are still available on this shoe. And I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, because I thought about this, man. I think I should have got my money back, because 180 is too much for these shoes. It's not worth it. The only reason that I let these shoes fly, because I don't have no Reeboks in my collection, and these will be the only Reeboks that I have in my collection, because I have one pair of feelers. I had a Grand Hills. And, I'm in love with shoes from back in the 90s. So let's go ahead and open the box and let's see how these shoes look. All right, let's go. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. Let's go and see how these look on feet. Let's go. So 11 and a half is the correct size for me. So these shoes fit true to size. I've seen comments where some people say they went half size down. I think I could have did that too, but I like a little wiggle room when I wear my shoes. So true to size for me works fine with these shoes. These shoes are not worth 180. I say that, and I say that, and I say that over and over again. If these shoes are like 140, I say yes, but for 180, it's not worth it. And right now, I'm thinking about getting my money back. All right, they gone, y'all. The Reebok ES22. They are gone. Took them to FedEx, and they getting shipped back to Reebok. Reebok, they gonna inspect the shoes, make sure ain't no wear and tear, and I should be getting my money back in my account real soon. $180 is not worth it. So yeah, I can't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. They gone, y'all. They are gone. But what say y'all? Are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.